Hello, it is very good to see you today. I am ready to speak English perfectly without any mistakes.
Are you okay? You sound a little bit scary.
I am not scary. I am just trying to not say or I want to have perfect grammar.
Okay, I see. But honestly, you sound like a robot. You sound like a GPS navigation system. Turn left in 100 meters.
Really? But I thought pausing and making noises was bad English.
Actually, it's the opposite. If you remove all those little natural noises, you lose the human connection. You stop sounding real.
So to sound better, I need to be less perfect?
Exactly. You need the secret sauce of speaking. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel.
And welcome to a lesson that will stop you from sounding like a machine.
Today, we are talking about filler words. These are the words native speakers use constantly to connect their ideas, but textbooks almost never teach them.
Words like basically, actually, you know, and I mean. We are going to teach you how to use them to sound more natural instantly.
Before we jump in, please hit that like button. It really helps us help you. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next lesson.
Ready to sound human? Let's do it.
So, let's be honest. Why were you trying so hard to avoid filler words earlier?
Well, in school, my teachers always told me that saying or shows hesitation. They said it makes you sound unsure or unconfident.
That is a very common myth. Too much is annoying, sure, but using the right fillers actually improves your fluency.
Right, because fluency isn't just about speed, it's about flow.
Exactly. Think of fillers as a bridge between two ideas. Sometimes your brain needs a second to find the next word. Instead of awkward silence, you stall for time.
Stall for time. I like that. So instead of stopping, I keep the sound going.
Yes. For example, instead of silence, you could say, well, you know, it's kind of hard to explain.
That sounds so much smoother. It feels like a subconscious habit for native speakers. You guys don't even think about it, do you?
Not at all. It just happens. But for learners, you have to practice it intentionally at first.
Okay, but we have to be careful, right? We don't want to use them for no reason.
That's a good point. Some fillers are for pausing, but others are for emphasis.
Like the word literally?
Oh my gosh, yes. People use literally to make a story sound more dramatic. Like, I was literally dying of laughter.
But you weren't actually dying.
No, it just highlights how funny it was. But you have to avoid the overuse of these words. If you say like every 2 seconds, you sound like a teenager.
Got it. So use them to connect ideas, but don't sprinkle them like confetti. Okay, let's pause for a second. We use some useful vocabulary in that conversation. Let's break it down to make sure you guys got it.
The first word was hesitation. Definition: this is a pause or a delay before you do something because you are unsure.
Example: there was a moment of hesitation before he answered the question.
Next, we use the word fluency.
Definition: this is the ability to speak or write a language easily, well, and quickly. It flows like water.
Example: using filler words can actually help your English fluency.
Then we said to stall.
Definition: to stall means to delay intentionally to buy yourself more time.
Example: I forgot the answer, so I tried to stall while I looked at my notes. We also mentioned subconscious.
Definition: this describes things your mind does without you actively thinking about them.
Example: touching your face when you are nervous is often a subconscious habit.
Next was emphasis.
Definition: special importance or value given to something, making a word stronger.
Example: he used the word really for emphasis.
And finally, overuse.
Definition: to use something too much to the point where it becomes bad.
Example: the overuse of the word like can be annoying.
So there you have it. You don't need to be a robot. You can use words like actually, basically, and you know to sound more friendly and relaxed.
Just remember, think of them as the glue that holds your sentences together.
Now we have a question for you. We want to see your answers in the comments.
Which English filler word do you hear the most in movies or TV shows? Is it like, you know, or something else?
Let us know below. And if you want to practice speaking with us, check out the link in the description for our full course.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.